Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Today's video, we are going to be styling one outfit 6 ways. As usual, if today is your first time coming across my channel, on this channel we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and also we're all about fashion try on all and also style it in multiple ways. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So you all have seen this dress before. It's this black dress that you could style it with or without the brooch at the front. I love the fact that you can take out this brooch and use another brooch of your style to it, or don't use the brooch at all. So the main purpose why we're here today is to show you how you can style this dress in 6 ways. For the first style, I already mentioned it at the beginning. I said you can style it with or without the brooch, or you could replace the brooch with the brooch that you have at home to elevate the look. But if you have this kind of style of outfit at home, this is just going to give you inspiration that you can still style this dress in 6 or even more ways. I just don't want to keep going on and on. With me, styling is all about my imagination. When I start, I'll keep going, but I cannot continue infinity. I have to stop somewhere. That's why I always choose maybe 6 or 7 to show you. Then the second one, I'm going with this cape that I had in my closet before. I just put it on top and it elevated the look for the fact that I'm wearing white shoe under. I'm wearing white shoe as my footwear, and the style of shoe I'm wearing is the kind that will elevate your outfit. Yes, I absolutely love it. Very classy, very chic. You're not seeing any much about the open panel by the side of the dress. I mean, that's the detail of the dress, but I'm just showing you how to restyle this. Okay, I'm not trying to cover up anything. If I don't like the design of the dress, I wouldn't have purchased it at all. But when I saw it, I said I could style this in so many ways, and I just want to show people how they can restyle this kind of outfits. All right, so don't limit yourself. Okay, moving on to the third way that you can style it. I'm going to be taking the cape from my shoulder to under my dress. Of course, I didn't show you this particular one, but I know it's very self-explanatory. What I did there was I put the lace the cape under, because I want the lace to show at the open panel, just to elevate the dress again. So I put it on, I tucked it under my bra. That's the reason why I didn't show it, because I'm not about to expose everything. Okay, so I tuck it under my bra, and that's how this look came looking out like this. I absolutely love it. It elevated the look. It makes it very classy and at the same time sassy. That's what I would call it. I absolutely love it. What do you all think? Ladies, please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section, and also like this video. Please do endeavor to share this video with your friends and family. Maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. With the next styling, you can go on and on and on. The reason being that you could wear any color of turtleneck under this outfit. Yes, I chose black, but you could use red, you could use green, you could use pink, you could use white. I do not want to keep showing you the same thing over and over. That's why I decided to just stay with just the black. So I put the black turtleneck under it. I love the way it turned out. I absolutely love it. So with this, you can still wear it during the fall time or winter time, and you still look stylish because you have the turtleneck under to keep you warm, and you can just put your coat on it and it will elevate the look for you. Just like that, when you get to wherever you're going, you can take off your coat and they will see that window panel, like your skin is not showing, but they can see that open panel with your stylish look. You look absolutely elevated, and I decided to wear boots with this, of course, just to give you that look that we are going into. I absolutely love it. What do you all think? Let me know in the comment section. For the fifth styling, talk about party look. That's what I'm going for with this fifth one. I'm talking about mixing texture and other material together. You all can see I'm going to be mixing this sheer purple top that I've worn like forever in my closet. I put it under it, tied the rope around, brought the rope to the front. I didn't like the way it looked, so I kind of thought on my head, how do I restyle this to make it look more, more polished and look more put together, that it look like they came together but they are not together, right? That's what I did here, and I love the way it turned out. It looks like a party look. It looks like something that you can wear to the party. You can also wear this to church because nothing is revealing. You can just see the sheer material under it. It elevated the dress. So you can change your footwear depending on what you're comfortable with, but I just decided to go with this footwear and this blink clutch just to go with the effect of the top that I have underneath this dress. I love this one too. Which one is your favorite, ladies? Let me know in the comment section. And finally, I am saying finally with the smile on my face because I love how this one turned out. We all know black and white, you can never go wrong with that. But in this situation, I totally changed the whole scenario of the dress to another thing entirely, to another outfit entirely, without sewing, without cutting. No, it's just absolutely beautiful. That's just my favorite word to use. I love to use absolutely beautiful. I put this white dress, I put it on first, and you all can see the flowy pattern of that. I decided to move it on the side where I know the black dress is slitted in order to create another angle, another pattern. In order to create another pattern, another design there. That's why I chose to put that flowy white on that side, and I put the black on top of it. You all look at how this one turned out with a white shoe, with a white purse, and a black sunglasses. Chef kiss. It's absolutely beautiful. What do you all think? Honestly speaking, this is my favorite of all. The last styling, I love the way it turned out. I just feel like it turned this dress to another dress entirely. It elevated it without sewing, without cutting. Yes, ladies, and this is how you can style one dress in 6 ways without spending much, without buying much, without buying anything at all. You use what you have in your closet before. Alright, ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.